have to.
To cook rice, everything. Yep. Yes.
And then when it's raining season, it's really hard because the wood
Yeah,
is
it's
not
wet.
dry.
Yeah.
It's not dry.
It's not
It's
easy.
literally a little bit wet, and then you have to.
Yep.
And then you're gonna cry.
Yeah,
it's not-
because of the smoke.
My God, it's
You're
so
getting
hard.
cry. But you know that even
Akala ko ako
even
lang.
that, no,
I thought
even
it's just me.
Even me.
Oh, you too
Yeah.
as well.
Uh,
O, diba,
Kailan lang tayo,
pinagtagpo.
Day.
Pinagtagpo.
Bisakol.
Bisakol.
But even in a hard situation, is you know, is yung ano natin sa pagkabata natin, kung babalikan natin
Mas
a lot
pipiliin
of
ko pa
happiness.
din. Yeah, mas pipiliin ko pa
Yeah.
din. Because, you know, it's a less of gadget. And then our eyes is not
Yeah.
tired. And then we still
Yeah.
connected our parents and everything.
Yeah.
Somebody, not like,
And a lot of happiness.
hindi, not you guys, but now kasi everything. Kakain na!
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, wait.
Yeah,
Just
like
wait.
before,
Oh.
all is
Oh.
gadgets now.
You have to get your clothes folded and this and this and that. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am, wait.
so sad.
Wait.
I think some people's
No.
like our age is nakaka-relate. They're related
They're
in our
related. Oo.
in our life before. So yung mga nakaka-relate yan sa amin na katulad namin na lumaki na sa province. Ayan. So mahirap man ang buhay but
Oh, you are happy, huh?
we are happy. Yeah, even me. I really miss my life
Oo.
when I was a child.
Kaya that's why nga, di ba, even we are here in Australia. We have everything, like,
Yeah.
you know, everything. Life is easy, but you still look forward the past that makes you happy.
Yeah.
It
Yeah,
can
that-
never be like, alam mo yung mapapalitan ng
Hindi
Diba?
hindi yung kaligayahang meron ka before
Ngayon,
hindi
oo.
kayang palitan ng mga material
things.
Yeah.
Like kahit hindi materials, yung
Yeah,
mga
happiness.
alam mo yung ngayon na yung makauso, yung
Yeah.
makauso, makabago,
Mm-mm.
it's still makaluma, it's